Okay, Orchard and Bird Park already, right? Now you're checking, you lead the way, okay? What's that?
I'm going to where we are now. It's here.
Where are we?
Yeah, we are here now, so I want to go see the penguins.
Okay, go and see the penguins. Go. You lead the way. The penguin in front. In front, right in front. Here. Oh, down here also have. Okay, we see in front here. Go. Okay.
Daddy, can you go to
taking a video already. Go. Okay, let's go. Mommy ready now. Ah. See the penguins? Now they're cleaning up. You see?
Can you come here, please?
Yeah, I'm here. Okay. The penguins. You want to take a photograph? Enough? Okay, come. Okay, you check the map. Okay, what's next? What's next? Okay. Let's go. Okay, what else? Come, let's go. Yeah, where now?
Go to the penguin picture. And now it's an owl.
Owl? Okay, come, let's go. You lead the way.
Where's our here penguin? Just now we were green.
Penguin here.
This one green, not here. Not here.
Yeah,
now we out.
We are here, correct?
Then we are here.
Yeah, then we go. Correct, correct. Then we go owl.
Owl.
Yes. Okay, come.
What is the owl?
Go straight, turn left. Is it turn to the right? On this side is the flamingo. We are going to the flamingo. Here, flamingo here.
Penguin.
Flamingo. We're going flamingo.
Wait, what?
You
This
want to go to
way.
the owl, is it? Okay, then
This
we go
way.
owl. Come.
Oh, where? In front here.
Yeah.
Nó ra nó cho xe lửa chạy kìa.
Oh, no flow.
Hey, coming.
Okay. Okay, here. We are here. World of darkness. Okay? Come, let's go in. Really can't see, it's very dark.
Very big. You see?
Yeah.
Wow.
But you can't take photographs. Not allowed to take photographs.
Because they scared or not.
Yeah. You can see.
There's the owl.
Later we head up, then we see.
See or not? They just see or not?
You see the owl here? See the
How
one?
many? You see how many?
So one here and there's another one here. You can't really see.
Small one, see?
You know.
Slowly, you have to go so fast, right? One, see that?
Book owl. Okay, can't really see. Later we head up, then we see again. Then this time you can see already.
Snow one, so nice one, Đây, màu white. Màu white color. Đây, sorry.
Let's go. Come on.
This one snow.
That's snowy owl.
Snowy owl.
Don't block the way.
This just not.
Go ahead in front first. Yeah, go to the front and go to the side. Yeah. Let's see where you want to go now.
The owl here. Then we need to move. Here.
Okay, come, let's go.
No, restroom.
Okay. You lead the way.
This way.
For what? Go restroom for what?
No. There.
Okay, come, go.
But Daddy. That way.
Turn left. Up the slope.
Tai không biết rồi nó.
Follow the.
When boat is when but now a bit look.
Honey bug.
Hey, where go? The rose one you sit down.
Daddy, this
Sit
is
one side.
Daddy.
Yeah.
What is this?
I think we passed by already, is it? No, we go further down and see. Not here, not here.
Let me check
This
here.
one can go and see.
This one is the show. Want to go and see the show? What time is the show? Oh, there should be a show coming up soon. Oh, there's a show coming up. See?
Careful, huh?
There's a show coming up. Is it?
I think we need to go here. We are here now.
Yeah, we are here. We went here already. Okay, World of Darkness. Then after that, we carry on. We just go down the road just now over there.
I can watch the flamingo show.
Flamingo show, I think not yet, you know. You tracking, is it? Okay, you go and track.
There's an ice cream stand on this map.
Ice cream stand. Now let's go.
Ice cream.
Ah, there you see already just now. You see on your right.
What?
There's this what? Heliconia walk.
California walk.
Yes.
Which one?
This is the one. Heliconia walk.
Wait.
Yeah. Come, let's go. Straight up. Go, go, go. Straight up. On your right.
Yeah. We need to follow this path.
This path. Yeah.
Which path is it?
Then you have this blue-breasted kingfisher. Okay.
Which path?
Let's go in and see.
Mommy, can you? Is it the right one? Let me check.
Yes, we are the right one. The name is
This
correct.
This one is the flower. Flower. There, the flower.
Okay, let's go.
One peacock also.
What do you have here? Peacock.
Then the peacock inside is just small baby. Then the missing king here.
Kingfisher.
Kingfisher.
Fishing king.
There's no peacock on this map.
The outside they book fishing king down there. You see the
Come.
net down there?
Let's go.
There's a small peacock. Wait. What? I'm not.
Đây đây có con nào đi chân nào đã đi quạt ra đi.
Now we
Yeah.
saw a
Different kind of
king.
birds.
Phiêu à.
Now we saw a kingfisher already.
Come, go
Đi
straight.
sò ở đây đi. Đi đây đây. Here.
Daddy, which one is kingfisher what?
We are here already.
Is it this one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct.
Alright. Then we need to head down some more. You see, I think flamingos. Okay, come.
Wait a second. Daddy,
Yes.
we haven't. Is this? Is this kingfisher?
Yes, this is. There, you see the kingfisher here on top?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Further down.
We have more inside.
Daddy, is this kingfisher? Which one? Which one is?
Yes, this one. Correct.
And this is the which one? This one.
This is the one just now we just walked right in front.
This one.
This one is inside here now. We are inside here.
Mommy, we are seeing this. This one.
Yeah. Yes, correct. You see, there's so many different species here. You see? You see the bird, the house. The house for them.
I know. Let's check some.
But keep check the map one.
This we are still here, right?
Yes, we are still inside here.
Then next.
Come on, you want to have a look or not?
Next.
You see only one, see the map only huh?
Daddy. Just now we saw this already.
There, see the sun check from there.
Yes, I saw. Is this kingfish? Is this, Daddy, have we seen this already?
Now you're inside here.
Now we are going to see the flamingo.
Yes, come.
Flamingo, here we come.
Then later we go down there and see.
Hmm.
Later we mix this or small.
The map says go down. Go. Mommy, the map, go down. Look, it says it's to follow the road. Come on. Wow, this has a lot of different species.
A lot of species, right?
Daddy, let's go. Let's go. It just says follow the road.
There you have to go. This side what first? Have to go over there and see first. Later you miss
Oh, here, this is the one, wetland.
Flamingo.
Later you miss this.
Okay, come. We go down this way first. Later we come back up here.
No. You see this map?
I know.
The flamingo says go down here.
Go here.
Then you turn. Wait.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Mommy.
Mommy.
This way first. You make a U-turn back. Okay, let's go in.
I'm slow.
There. Go here.
This map says
There. Go to go.
Come, let's go up the stairs. Here, come, son. This way.
this way.
Never mind, mommy want to go out there. Come. Come on.
Let's go up.
Let's go up.
Let's go up and see. Mommy, take.
Okay, let's go.
Daddy,
I'm behind you.
later mommy will come.
Yes, don't worry.
Later we come back down.
It sounds like a nature walk, right?
But I wonder.
What do you wonder? What are you wondering?
Wait, it's a mountain path. Let's go, mommy.
You go straight.
There's another path. Whoa.
Yeah.
Let's go, mommy. Later when. Eddie, follow me.
Go up there.
1, 5, 6,
This one cover, they cannot see.
Royal Rumble. We just finished the Royal Rumble. Okay. They have crown pigeons.
crown pigeon. Only a crown pigeon on this west.
Mm-hmm.
Crown pigeon on this here. Look, almost. Oh, this is here.
Yeah, just go.
Daddy, go. I'm going this net now. Where to walk like this? A rooster? Oh, where is he?
Here on the left. See all the big cages?
Is that
You have all the different kind of birds.
pigeon?
No, hornbills and toucans. Is it? Yeah, it's hornbill and toucans.
We already passed this. Why we are
We
here?
passed this already. Now we are here already.
Channel, is it over there?
Yes, correct. But they closed for servicing now there, you see? So now we come to hornbills and toucans.
Mommy, you're already closed.
This
Great pie hornbill.
Here is maintenance.
Yes, they're doing a maintenance.
Oh, we're here.
Now we come to here, correct. Let's go. Do you want to watch
What? Watch what?
the birds? Let's see the birds.
There's a boss over there, see, on top. Which one?
See, there's one at the
Which
top,
one?
right at the top of the tree.
Can see or not?
Pigeon.
Not pigeon.
There.
This one is hornbill. Here. There. Okay? Here, we are here.
Hornbill and...
Now, hold yourself.
Whoa, we already saw one. Where's the last one? The other
Yeah.
one.
You go.
The one maintenance.
Yeah,
Where is it? Where?
can't see it here.
Can't see it. Slice it.
Mm-hmm.
Is this?
Fruits. Right?
Yes. Let's go down there. We are not here yet. We saw one.
Where? Oh, yeah. It's there.
Here. See, wow. You see the wind, huh? Red brown,
Yeah.
huh? Oh, can see the sound.
It's another cave.
You just
I
fly
had a
past
very
them.
big inside. There, here. Can there.
I saw one.
Come on, see?
Happy lah. People talking lah. You say, oh.
Later we looking for looking for low rubbish chute, right?
There you see here, they have different, all the different ones. Yeah, I saw one right inside there.
Where?
Ah, you see all the birds here, you see, it's so near. See? See, got one down here, so near. Camouflage inside here.
What?
Yeah, inside. The tree here, you saw?
Yes, I saw camouflage.
Looks like a pigeon.
Yes, look at the pigeon.
Come, let's go.
Let's go.
Go straight.
There's more pigeons. There's more on the other side of this. Yes.
Come, you need to pull.
I know. Whoa! Look at all the birds. 那是海龟。
就还没躺着就走，这等会儿。
对，等 camouflage.
Any birds you saw?
I saw one.
One? Where? At the bottom? Oh yeah, at the bottom. Okay, let's go.
I saw one at the bottom, all the way down.
This one is push now. Push. Yes. Anything?
Nope. Cannot find anything here. I see nothing around here.
There is.
Where?
Inside. Can you see it? We head down and have a look, huh? Alright, we go down and have a look.
Go down.
Yep. Again? Where are we?
Yeah, over here.
The vouchers, right?
The vouchers one is over here.
Hmm. Okay,
Next we go there.
go, come. Let's head down and see the vouchers.
Wait. These are all the vouchers.
African fish eagle, yes, very good.
Big one, huh?
Yeah, they put the meat for them to eat. He's eating now.
Eagle. Eagle.
Having their meal.
Sorry. This fellow we got left here. The white sea belly eagle.
No. Fly sẽ nhập được scale được đấy.
Eagle.
Yeah, come, let's go.
Đưa đi xuống đi gặp bao đi. Daddy,
Lúc hả?
I'm looking at giant stumpy steps.
Giant stompy steps.
Stumpy.
Hey, just stand up.
I didn't realize there's a dinosaur skeleton over here.
Is it?
Yes, look. Ta-da.
Ah, okay.
This one is king.
King voucher.
King voucher.
Big one there, one. I see
Ah!
the very big one.
Yeah.
It's so touchy, that one is touchy.
King voucher.
Touchy voucher. Yeah.
King voucher.
Let's color.
Ah!
Đấy, here, touchy voucher.
Wait, what? Where?
See, very big.
So giant. Let me take a picture. I have to take a picture.
Yeah, on top. Southern, turtle and bush. There, now we walk through. Wow. There, the bush over there. We walk down there and see.
Want to go in?
Then go down. Just go down.
Look, dinosaur. Daddy, I want to do this one. The dinosaur safari. Chicken.
Here, this way. There's lots of birds here. Okay, go on. Ah, I see the bird. Oh, at the top. See? Yeah, you see it here. There's ducks here. Oh, there's a lot of birds here, huh? straight.
Mommy, I'm going down already.
Let's go.
Not in inside, go this side.
Good. Come, go in. Can you? Come.
Daddy, help me hold. Let's go inside and Let's go inside.
Why are you covering your nose?
Not nice smell.
Not nice smell. Eat ice cream. Nice one. Delicious, right?
It's a little bit grease. It's a little bit icy.
Did I? Okay. Okay, you wait, go.
No, I need to get a little higher.
No, later you bite.
Wow. Hào大嘞。
Okay, what's there you go? Yeah.
Small, they put inside the temperature.
See, they reading the birds. Incubation group.
Keep inside how many days like that one, you know? What is
I think they are making the hatch.
Yes. And you see here, I have, see it?
where the birds are.
Yeah.
What when we go inside?
Maybe the sit you want to watch inside and
When we go inside, there will we see.
What you will see?
Can we go inside there?
No, you can't.
Why?
You see here what they do? See here what they do? The baby, you see the baby here? You see the baby here? They're feeding the baby. See, they're feeding them milk. See, they open the mouth, they're feeding milk. See? You saw?
See inside the box culture.
They're feeding it the milk. See, you know they feed the milk.
Oh, they got the name on top.
I want a bird. I want to have a bird.
See, they're feeding them the milk.
What he doing?
See, it's so small.
I want to have a bird like that, Daddy. I want to have like that.
Like that? Look, the bird is so small.
What?
See, it's so small. See the baby?
Wrong bird.
I think they found it. Just yesterday or today. See this out. They had on the 18th of August. This one will give birth on the 5th.
See? Hatchery here, all different birds.
కప్ చేసి టిష్యూ పేపర్లో కప్ కట్ చేసి దాన్ని అటు పెడతాను. దాన్ని ఇప్పుడు ఇన్క్యుబులేటర్లో పెడతారు దాన్ని.
Let's see the baby.
Inside has all the babies.
I want to take picture of them later.
Okay, flamingo. Finished? Let me go back. Tired already, right? Okay, come, let's go.
What? Anh chị ơi, bên này mấy con chim hồng hồng bên này nè. Đi nha. Đi nhỏ. Làm anh con nào?
Okay, finish one round. What do you have? How? You enjoy your day? Is it? Look at here and say it. Yes?
I'm very hungry.
Very what?
I want to take a bus go home.
Okay, okay. Is it fun or not?
Yeah.
Enjoy yourself, right? Tired or not? Look at here.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay.